Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you the correct sequence of applying skincare products in your morning skincare regime. Now for your morning regime, you want to keep it as short and as minimal as possible, because let's face it, who has the time to follow an entire 10 or 12 step skincare routine in the morning? So you want to narrow it down to maximum 4 or 5 products in the morning. Just 4 or 5 steps is more than enough. And since you just got up in the morning, you don't really have a lot of dirt on your skin. All you have is a little bit of oil formation, and to clear it out you can use a gentle cleanser. The one that I recommend using and the one that I currently use is this Dermaco Creamy Cleanser. It's very mild, it's very gentle, it's great for sensitive skin. And this is the first step of your morning skincare regime. So I have already washed my face, and moving on to the second step, which is to apply a skin serum to hydrate your skin and to solve your skin problems. Now the best serum to apply in a morning skincare regime is a vitamin C serum, because this is going to help to brighten up your skin. It's going to help to reduce all of that dullness, solve so many skin problems, and at the same time bring about a beautiful bright glow on your skin. So vitamin C serum is a must to be applied in your morning skincare regime. Now I have two vitamin C serums, both by the Dermaco. So the first one is their 20% vitamin C serum, which contains vitamin C and ferulic acid. Now this contains 20% of vitamin C, and vitamin C, as we all know, helps to boost radiance on your skin. It helps to bring about a beautiful glow on the skin. It also helps to boost collagen production, which in turn repairs your skin, repairs any sun damage, and also helps to delay the aging process. And this also has ferulic acid, and the combination of vitamin C and ferulic acid makes it even more powerful, and it gives you even better results on your skin. And this also has hyaluronic acid in this, which helps to hydrate the skin and helps to retain moisture into your skin. So if you're just looking forward to apply some vitamin C in your morning regime, then try this out. It's got 20% concentration of vitamin C, which is a good amount. But if you're a beginner at vitamin C, then I would recommend you go for a 5% or a 10% vitamin C serum before you start applying a 20% concentration while a vitamin C serum. Now this is great, but I personally love using this 10% vitamin C face serum by the Dermaco, because this contains vitamin C, niacinamide, and also hyaluronic acid. It's got 10% of vitamin C in there, which also gives you sufficient results. And it's my 5% niacinamide bhi hai. Now niacinamide is great to even out your skin tone and to reduce any dark spots, acne marks, any other pigmentation that you have on your skin. It clears all of that out and gives you clearer skin. And this also has hyaluronic acid, which hydrates the skin and retains moisture into the skin. So overall, if you compare both of these serums, even though this has 20% concentration of vitamin C, this 10% vitamin C serum gives you more benefits if you compare the ingredient list. So that is the reason why I love using this one, the 10% vitamin C serum, all because of the composition of the product. And as you can see, I've already finished more than half of the bottle. That is how much I love it, and that is how much I use it in my morning skincare regime. So whether you're using the 20% concentration one or the 10% concentration vitamin C serum, both are to be used in the same way. You just need to apply 3 to 4 drops of the serum. Make sure you don't touch the dropper on your skin. Dur se you apply. Spread it all across your skin evenly. Also, don't forget the neck, and then just gently pat it into your skin for faster absorption. This is exactly how you're supposed to apply serums. And as you can see, it has instantly brightened up my skin a little bit. It's added this plumpiness, this dewiness on my skin, and yeah, my skin feels really nice and hydrated after using the serum. So after applying a serum, the next step is to moisturize your skin. Now this really depends on what season of the year it is or what skin type you have. So suppose it's the winter time, or suppose if you have dry skin or combination skin, then you can go ahead with a moisturizer. But if you have oily skin, if you have acne prone skin, or suppose it's the summertime, it's really hot outside, then just skip on the moisturizer, because that's just going to add another extra layer of product, and it might just sweat a lot and make your skin really oily and greasy. So depending upon what time of the year it is and how your skin is behaving at that time, you can either opt for a moisturizer or not. So right now, since it's so hot outside, especially here in Mumbai, I'm sort of gonna skip on the moisturizer. But if you still want to go ahead and apply a moisturizer even in this hot weather, then a good option would be a gel based moisturizer like this one. You want to use a lightweight moisturizer which is non-greasy, non-oily and gets fast absorbed. Now moving on to the most important step of a daytime skincare regime, which is to protect your skin. The best sunscreen that I've ever used is this the Dermaco 1% hyaluronic acid sunscreen aqua gel. This contains an SPF of 50 PA double plus. So the UVA protection is great. It also protects your skin from UVB because it's a broad spectrum sunscreen, and it also protects your skin from the blue light that's emitted out of electronics. So whether you're indoors or outdoors, the sunscreen is a must because it gives you like overall protection. And this has vitamin E, which helps to hydrate the skin. It's got hyaluronic acid, which helps to retain all of that hydration into your skin, and it's a very lightweight sunscreen. Moreover, it's fragrance free, so it's suitable for acne prone skin and sensitive skin too. Out of all the sunscreens that I've ever used, the formulation, the consistency and the texture of this sunscreen is the best because it's so lightweight. It gets absorbed into your skin so fast, and it's very non-oily, non-greasy. You won't even feel like you have anything on your skin when you apply it. It's hydrating as well, doesn't even leave a white cast, so it's like the best sunscreen out there. And all you need is just a tiny pea-sized amount of it. You want to dot it all over your skin and massage it, and in no time it's already going to be absorbed by your skin. इसको लगाने से ना स्किन बहुत ही स्मूथ भी हो जाती है, बहुत ही हाइड्रेटेड भी फील करती है, एंड at the same time it gives you a really good amount of sun protection whether you're indoors or whether you're outdoors. So this sunscreen is sort of a must have. It's something that you really need to like own in your vanity. It's something that you need to use on an everyday basis, especially in your morning regime. This is the best sunscreen that I've ever used, and this I recommend you guys really check out. It's the best out there. And in case if you want to purchase this sunscreen or any other Dermaco products, and I have a coupon code that is Riya 2022 on Dermaco's website, you'll get a 20% off. Or you can also shop for their products on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. Now that's it for your skin. As the last and the final step in your morning skincare regime, you want to hydrate your lips. You can either go for a tinted lip balm or a lip balm that contains an SPF to protect it from the sun. So I'm using a tinted lip balm today. This helps to hydrate the lips and also adds a beautiful natural color on the lips. So with that, my morning skincare regime comes to an end, and this was a very simple, minimalistic and realistic morning skincare regime that you can actually follow on a daily basis. And I've only used products that are going to help to hydrate the skin, to repair the skin and to protect your skin at the same time. So in case if you try out any of these products, do let me know in the comments below how they work out for you. Also, all Dermaco products are now fragrance free, which is the best part, which makes them so suitable for sensitive skin too. And whenever you purchase a Dermaco product, they link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi, and they have this initiative of helping more than 10,000 students across the year, which is a really good thing. So I recommend you guys support Dermaco, try out their products, and you will be really impressed by how beautifully they work on the skin. So that was my video on the correct sequence of applying skincare products in your morning skincare regime. It was very minimalistic, very short, very realistic, and yeah, this is exactly what I do on a day-to-day basis. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new here, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.